Assmann Corporation, like most large rotational molders, all started out in the agricultural business. People started manufacturing their tanks thinner and thinner. It literally came down to the point where people were filling these tanks with water, setting them outside, and if they didn't fail in a year, they would turn around and take more material out. The whole goal was to build the thinnest tank that you could put out and still provide it with a 1-year warranty. We just kind of looked at it, stepped back and said, you know, this isn't the right thing to do. You know, we knew by building a uniform wall tank that we could build a better product than anybody else.
Well, I think the strength of Assmann is its people. They become like family, realistically. And these are people we work with every day to come up with customizable solutions while producing a top quality product. And every tank that we send out of this manufacturing facility is a customized solution to what their customer needs.
We're utilizing a program which is allowing us a greater visibility with our customers, with our internal teams, being able to see where the status of their individual projects are.
They can see a live feed directly from our production team to know exact order progression all the way through the system, all the way up until it's tagged ready to ship.
We showed to Brian Doan at the WevTech, and he was just blown away. He goes, this is a game changer.
Rather than have hundreds or thousands of distributors across the United States, we're loyal to our distributors. We have a select few, we have very market-specific distribution, and we take care of them that way. You have an educated sales force instead of just a group of salespeople pushing product.
That's where the relationship comes in, and that's where you build your relationships with these exclusive distributors. And you're protecting them, their business, just as much as they're helping yours.
I think that's one of the things too that sets us apart from our competition is we've got that loyalty to our customer. You call in, you've always got a live person to talk to. It doesn't go to voicemail or anything. So
we try to solve it for the customer, the end user, make sure they're happy, and then we work it out between the distributor.
Our process is built for quality above all else. Our uniform wall thickness, that is what separates us in the marketplace. An ISO 9001 certification, one of the only tank manufacturer that has that certification.
Are there lower quality storage tanks out there? Absolutely there is. Okay, now let's take a look at the amount of money you spend on that chemical to put into that tank. You still don't want to run that risk of a tank bursting or failing, unfortunately flooding your facility with hazardous chemicals. I mean, there's a risk there that people take.
Do you want to have a 10,000 gallon tank filled with hydrochloric acid that was sold by the lowest bidder?
Assmann Corporation has used Linear Polyethylene since 1980. When you step back and look at cross-linked polyethylene versus linear polyethylene, it's a molecular structure. Cross-linked polyethylene, there's a catalyst released during the molding process, which causes a molecular structure change of the plastic. When a polyethylene tank does go to fail, those molecules will loosen up and you'll get a little bit of forewarning. You'll get a stream or a small leak, but it gives you the time to drain it down and get the tank out of service before you have failure. When you start looking at the nasty stuff, the sodium hypochlorite, the hydrochloric acid, those type chemicals, sodium hydroxide, you want a durable tank that's gonna last longer and be safer for the surroundings.
we go the extra mile. You know, we have the NSF certification. We've got the ISO 9001 2015 certification, which nobody else does.
Think about all the industries that we impact. The water that comes out of your faucet, the cheese that you buy at the grocery store.
You never look at it and think, as this tank's leaving the parking lot, that could be treating water for millions of people.
We have built our name on quality.